Hello everyone, so for today's video, I will be showing you how to fix Gcash verification problem. When we do this process, make sure that you have your national ID, and it's important that you use your actual national ID and not a print version of it because it won't be able to scan properly. So first, once you've downloaded the app, we'll go to the home screen. And here we'll have a bunch of options from profile limits, linked accounts, QR codes, G-Score, Alipay, promos, voucher pocket, and the rest. So what we will press is Help Center. And here we will find an option Submit a Ticket. And this is where we will send a message or file our concern. So here for Submit a Ticket, you'll have to add your email address, your Gcash registered full name, the country, your phone number, and the concerned category that you have, which is the verification of your account. Here at the bottom, you'll have to provide your concern, so you will have to type out specifically what should Gcash assist you with. Once you have already applied the other categories, you can write your concern. So here we will write, "Hello Gcash, I want to fully verify my Gcash account using my national ID, but I cannot proceed with KYC verification. Please help me, and I hope that my Gcash can be verified. Thank you." In the Help Center, if it's not your verification, you can also write your other concerns, such as if money is not being able to input your account, or there is an error. This is also a place where they will be able to assist you. So once you've sent this will go directly to email, and they will be able to reply back and tell you what you have to do. Now on the bottom, it says attachments, add file or drop files. Here, all you have to do is press, and whether you have already taken the photo or about to, or they're in your files, just choose whichever the pictures are, and make sure that your national ID is front and back. Once you're done, all you have to do is press the submit button, and it will appear here on Help Center whether or not they have replied to your concern, and this will also go directly to your email address. You also have to make sure that your picture is not blurred, there is no camera filter, and that this is actually who you are. They will be also asking you from time to time for verification a selfie, and if it matches from your national ID. Of course, while waiting for the email, you can learn more about the verification levels in Gcash. It varies from how you upgrade, its account limits, as well as its account features. So the first one, we have basic and fully verified. For basic, there's only a few things that you can do, which is buy load, offline cash in, pay bills, and pay QR. While for the fully verified, you can do everything on the list. Here's more details with its account limits. So this is just your wallet limit that refreshes monthly, and if you've hit your transaction limit for the month, you will have to wait for the next month to be able to transact again. And below here is how to upgrade, so you can see the steps that you have to take ID photo, take a selfie, fill information, and send application as well. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.